Good morning, guys. It's 8 what's up, you guys? Let's go, Ducks 1-1. What you guys been up to? Anything for question? Anything to say? Well, right now, you guys, we just dropped Rachel off at the doctor's office. So Rachel's dad's watching Grace this morning, so that's gonna be fun and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys what we are gonna do, because there's some stuff I have to do today. Get things done and over with. So that's what's going on, you guys.
Have you talked to Emily at all? Do you know if we're still meeting up on Saturday? Okay. I'll message everybody.
She knows, right?
Oh yeah. Well, we had it sitting over there for the longest time, and then she got into it one day, and she plays with it sometimes. She hasn't played with it in a couple of weeks, eh?
Long time. There's our daughter when she's done painting. Are you done painting? Grace, you're done painting?
Yeah, we'll take that as a yes. Here.
Okay,
Yeah,
Grace
Gareth
done
is
painting.
gonna go give her a bath now.
So that's what's going on. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are barbecuing ribs and pork chops. You guys look so good. So that's what we're cooking up. So on the barbecue. By the way, give you guys an update on Rachel. She's gonna upgrade her meds and she's getting counseling. You guys, yes, that's what's going on. You guys, yeah, she just feels like she can't do nothing really right. So, but I try and encourage her as much as I can, but sometimes it doesn't work. But it's always cold out here, you guys. It is chilly. And yeah, I like barbecuing sometimes when it's cold. So that's what's going on, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.